What's up you guys? For today's video, we have a quick step-by-step guide on how to open up a Trust Wallet account and then how to secure it at the end. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Open Trust Wallet application, click on create a new wallet, check the box I understand and continue. Now what you get here is your recovery phrase, which is really important. Make sure to get a good backup of your seed phrase. Do not copy this on your computer. Try to write it down in a piece of paper and keep it in a safe or I don't know, somewhere really secure. And I'm showing this phrase as this is a dummy account, and of course I won't be using this account in future. Anyway, once you have this phrase copied, click on continue. Now here, verify recovery phrase by selecting your 12 seed phrases in order and then continue to confirm. Here you go, your wallet was successfully created. Click OK, and now we are inside our wallet. But now don't forget to password protect your Trust Wallet application. On bottom right, click on setting, then go to security, enable app lock. Now enter a passcode, re-enter your passcode, and lastly, here you can go to lock method and choose your lock method if you want to. There you go. That was a quick tutorial on how to open up a Trust Wallet account and secure it properly. And really quick, if we just met, my name is Moka and I'm not a financial advisor. In this channel, we talk about different ways on how to make money online. So if you gain value and want to learn more about personal finances, then be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. With that, thank you so much guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.